I thought it was all over.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and need.
Getting that alcohol. You got time for the alcohol, y'all. I'm talking from y'all.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turns.
Steering wheel is on the opposite side.
Baby, for me, I too fly, I get burned. Twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze.
The internet code is right here. Only the S is cash. So everything else is so you can close both.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so both feet right here.
That's cute. Oh, okay. I like that. I like that.
What's in there? How deep is the pool? Oh, it's like is that on? Oh, this is a room right here?
Yeah. Oh wait, where is it? Oh, okay.
Let me see the other one. Love it?
Yes, we're in love. Yes.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, that, shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu.
So we are in Turks and Caicos. Did we already say that?
I don't think we talked to them at all.
Oh, okay. So I guess it's just been like probably montages or something going on. We just got here yesterday. So we did miss Noah's Ark, but we did go to Shisha last night, Shisha Lounge, which that was lit. We had a ball, okay? Lost track of time, but we had a ball. So right now, day 2, we're about to have a boat day. There's the clear boat, and we're just following this guy down this trail right here so we could, I guess, get to the beach. You ready for your photo shoot, baby?
Yes, ma'am. These rocks
Photo shoot ready.
I
Call this a road, this little trail.
Okay, I see the water.
Oh, the water. We could finish our TikTok.
Oh yeah.
That would be fine. What beach is this?
My beach.
Oh, your beach is better?
This is my beach.
Period.
Paradise.
Oh, okay.
50 shade of blue.
Oh, love that.
It's called Sunset Beach, you know, right here.
Oh, this
You
called
can-
Sunset Beach?
Yeah, you can go right here, you can sit down and watch the beautiful sunset.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. Wrapped around me or
Yeah, hold it up first.
like the wind?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or do you want to be holding it up for the video?
It could be held up for the picture.
Okay. Okay. So, and then you go wrap it around. How many pictures you get? 80, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then
So just hold it first and then I'll wrap it.
hold it up in the air, like, or
Yeah, hold it up in the air. Or,
okay.
Yeah. Right.
Drone.
Wait, let me see. Hold this. Hold on, ma. Or
Wait, where is it? I can't even see because
I
the
gotta
sun
see which
bright.
way I
Y'all
gotta
probably see
face.
it though.
Is this even sand or mud?
The drone.
there's some stuff you ain't seen before. Which way?
Yeah. It's so hot out here, you guys.
Okay, guys, we made it to Noah's Ark. Welcome to be there, Noah's Ark. We made it, and we're just ordering food right now. I guess we're gonna get some pictures and stuff. What is today? Monday, so it's not really a lot going on here today. But we just wanted to come to, you know, at least experience it. Okay, so I'm literally in the bathroom at Noah's Ark. I just changed my bathing suit. Because the bathing suit I just had on, I literally, you know, wore for my clear boat photo shoot and stuff. So I don't want to have like, you know, the same outfit on for my Noah's Ark photos. So yeah, let's go out there and see what my photos about to be given. Mwah.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is running. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on the foot.
Okay guys, so we're in this little area right here of the house. It's like a, I would say like a sunroom. Like these doors right here open all up. But we're in here grilling. The steak is already done. Diamond done burnt the steak. She said don't show it. She done burnt the steak, y'all. And then we have chicken. Don't burn the chicken now. And then we have chicken in here. She wanted to become a master on the grill. So we're just gonna go out here to eat. Let me show you guys. So we're just gonna come eat out here by the pool. The pool is so cold. I wish it was a heated pool, but it's not. So we're gonna come out here and eat our steak and chicken. Lord, I pray that you bless those who are going without today. I pray that you bless those stray dogs that do not have children. Lord, in the name of Jesus, I pray.
In Jesus' name, amen. This is our dinner. We have some steak and chicken. And of course, I have a red Mountain Dew because this is the best.
We're here doing hookah, watching baddies. It's another living room area here. A family room, I don't know.
So this is my view when I wake up in the morning. My voice might sound a little crusty. So I don't have a TV in my room, but everybody else has a TV. I just have this dog staring at me all night. So there's that. This is the view. And I could like go out here too. Ooh, it's hot. Feel good though. It was a spider up here last night, so I'm kind of looking to see if I can walk through. Oh, I see a spider web. I don't know if it's down here. Let's see. We ate dinner right here last night. That was a vibe. Diamond! Look at her out there fighting a bug. I mean, I think it's a lizard. Did it go away? Fighting this little guy. The views for me. Smoking on you. It's the view for me. I need to get a picture. Oh, I can't even get a picture on the ledge. Yesterday, I literally jumped in this pool and it's like 9 feet deep and it says 5 feet over there. So I had to literally get in survival mode because obviously I don't know how to swim like that good. And yeah. But a picture over there would be cute. We're about to eat some breakfast. Got some brekkie going on. Say it again. Stuff we grilled last night. That's the leftover food. Got some waters. I need to actually drink some water. Got the champagne for the mimosas. Orange juice, lemonade. Let's go. I don't know how I got stuck on cooking the eggs duty. So right now I'm trying to scramble that. We cooked the meat already. It's in here. Turkey bacon, I think that's beef or pork bacon and sausages. We're gonna eat out by the pool. Catch a little vibe with the mimosas. So.
Laundry.
Yeah, you're skinny. It's in there.
I just slow.
Right. What's up, guys? So right now we're about to get ready to go to a boat party and kind of like a tiki bar, like in the middle of the ocean. So we just had a pool day. OMG, I do not know where my lashes are. I literally pulled off all my lash extensions last night, and I brought some lashes, but I don't know where they are. So let me put on my contacts because your girl can't see. Okay, I have to get dressed really quickly so y'all won't be staring at my booty. My booty won't be all up in the camera. Okay. What I have to do? Okay, I think I'm gonna do some concealer. I don't even know if I should do makeup since I don't have all lashes and it's that gonna look weird. This is foundation. Makeup forever. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. It's kind of like my skin tone. I think I just might do that. Okay, that already brightened up my under eye. So I think I just might do some foundation under my eye. And do I'm gonna set it. I don't even know. Because makeup has not been agreeing with me. Like it'll just be breaking up out here. I don't know if it's the heat or what, but it's not looking right. So, I think I should be good with that. Let me put some over my eyelid. All right, and I'm just add some blush. Kind of pigmented. What this giving? If I had some lashes, that would just, you know, I would be cool with that. Some lashes would just be like love for you. Okay, so this outfit is from Fashion Nova. I was supposed to wear this to Noah's Ark, but yeah, I know we didn't get up in there. So yeah, I think I might wet my curls down so this here won't be like so poofy. And yeah. Hello. We're getting ready to, you know, go to a little tiki bar, I believe. So I'm just gonna get ready on camera because I feel like we have not been vlogging. But so far, Turks is a vibe, like literally. I feel like I got a tan while we was out by the pool all morning. I'm gonna just do a little 1-2 on the face, okay? I don't know what I'm putting on. They're in here right now fixing the AC. And what if they're not gone by the time we leave? Like, they're just staying here? So I think I'm gonna just do concealer and a little 1-2. I mean, I don't wear foundation anyway, but, oh yeah, what I'm supposed to be doing actually is trying to do
trying to tack this lace down, okay? Because if y'all see it, the pool definitely got the best of me. So I'm just gonna do a little 1, 2. I just need to try to stick it down like right here. It's lifting a bit. We literally have like 15 minutes to get ready, which, I mean, that's fine with me because I don't have much to do anyway, you know, because the face card never declines anyway. Okay, so that's edges down. Let me try to do a little bit for this lace. Some spritz, dab it on, dab it, dab it, dab it. Right there. Let's just go around just in case, because you never know. Let it dry a little bit. I hope I'm not too naked for YouTube. Okay. And then we forgot to bring our freaking vlog camera. So now we're just gonna be vlogging off our phones. Okay, boom. Okay, so I just put on my e.l.f. primer and did my brows off camera, and I also got changed. So while this was like setting in, I just, wow. So while my primer was setting in, I just changed so it could, like, you know, do what it gotta do. And so yeah, so this is the outfit for today. So I just have on this black bikini, and then this is a skirt set. It goes with this tube top, but I'm gonna use it as a little cover up today. So I just got this Bobbi Brown concealer. It's been doing what needs to be done, so I like it. And so, like I said, I'm just doing a little quick 1, 2, nothing serious. I mean, this is actually what I've been doing like since we've been out here. I think they're saying they're ready. Yeah, I'm coming. So y'all see that concealer? It does what needs to be done, okay? This is the Bobbi Brown. I'm wearing shade golden. All right, let me hear it, cause they screaming. Yeah. I'm coming, baby. There you go.
Come on, bitch, let's go. Let me see, where's your setting spray?
You know, come on, let's go.
Do you have some lotion?
It's in the closet. That cocoa butter one. I got some time.
You can't even make it like this.
Right. Then I was in Nordstrom's. I just got a couple samples. This is the MAC one. I already still have a full one. I don't know why I got a sample of it. I just was like, just in case I forget to bring that one. Got a sample of it. And this is NC 45. All right. This is a translucent powder. Yeah, look at it. This is a translucent powder from Iconic London. It's my first time using this for the trip too, and it's been. Hmm? You said what? Shut up, Hope. Let's do some blush. I got this sample of some blush. I don't really wear blush like that, so I was just like, let me just get a little sample of some blush. So, I'm just gonna blend that a little bit. Using this powder blush. Where's this?
What was the other one? Was these the small size?
This tart.
Huh?
Hmm?
I said,
Contour.
Nikita needs some of this. I'm taking this out right now.
Oh, hold on, let me use it real quick. I'll just take it out to her. I'm coming. So I'm gonna just do this one first. My MAC powder. And so then I spray my setting spray, and then I go back over with some translucent powder. And then, yeah, your makeup's gonna last all night. I'm telling you. Okay, just go over it one more time with this, and then you're good. Make it last all night. Alright, now we go. Alright, we'll see you all at the bar.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet.
Elliot!
When you look up how you, I made that doggy side, puppy whisper. So hot it in the fire fever. If you can't hasta la vista, tell Afi, Ava, Rabbit, Lego, Queen, Lower, Bodo, Lover, Bodo, Cover, Tattoo, Color, Wow, Summer. Billy P, when I pump on the post, all up on my all about Philly developers, Philly developers. Extra, forget me not when it's sweet, yo. For your head, you're not dead. Like a sheet spread, you put 12 left extra. Mash up hip head, I go keep my third bird girl instead. She sees it, wicked, so she did it. Lama, parish, river, body, Senna, Cosa, Coma, Hattie. When me done, she a fit, say, aye. When the peas and the pump on the all the pump and the mind, all about chili dilly developers, chili dilly developers. Somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet, yo.
Dogs can eat.
Women and children, women and children.
Really? Thank you.
I don't want to be a stray dog. I want to be like a breeder dog, like a bull terrier or some shit.
No, I didn't say you. I never say you was a pocket that time to go. Thank you, dogs, for this shit. Thank you.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to yesterday. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I just don't live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind. And I'm eating to get free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night.
What's up, you guys? So right now we are at Rock House, Turks and Caicos, and we just had what do we have, a strawberry lemon?
Yeah, and we're like
Feeling there with
take you to the moon. Okay.
Yeah, so that drink was actually pretty good. And now we're about to go to Omar's to get something to eat, and they said the drinks are good there too, so we're gonna probably some drinks too. Yeah. But yeah, Rock House is definitely a vibe. Y'all come check out Rock House because
y'all should already
first
see
of
the
all,
vibe,
the
so.
bartender, the drinks is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, this is the views.
Y'all gotta come see Jack Quez. Okay, Jack Quez, the bartender.
Come
here.
see Jack Quez.
Yes. He's the truth. He's gonna have y'all. Yeah, them drinks is on point.
Yeah,
I'm
we'll
gonna
check
do
in
that.
with you guys
Yeah.
once we get our food.
Loving your body, baby, as you're whining your body, baby, so crazy. Loving your body, baby, girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my won't be done from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need. Give me what you give me all you need. Give me what you need. Give me what. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all.
Bruh. But hold on, let me see if I can record on Instagram real quick.
Welcome to this spice.
How do we get the flights to stop?
I bring you something.
Wow, I was moving like that. What the hell? Oh, is that cool?
How's that fish?
Taste like fish. You crushed.
I finished my food. It's not even here
Show
anymore.
you how she looks her plate.
Definitely.
Yes, this is good. Thank you. Okay. I'm eating this fish like a crab.
Your fingers are gonna get fishy.
Check it out.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? Lord, one time, sit down in a class, I'm a poor, let all this in the road, and me go on with the road. Heard for me, several me tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage, make credits, and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring, like hello, brother. Say, I just saw down, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. You're falling on the man. Me have to talk back for the dirty, the dirty, that's the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off to me road one time? Sit down in a class, I'm worth it. All this in the road, and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are upon me. And say me fi tell you my story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I made it give him the job to breathe. I'm with the light. You know some of us are ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison.
So now we're at Aziza Lounge and we're about to see the vibes. They're playing the music, you know, the R&B, hip hop, rap music. So we're about to see what they hit for.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? Make plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
There's a bun in the ring, sha-la-la-la. There's a bun in the ring, sha-la-la-la.